What's up guys, Jack and Hunter here with Toasty DIY, and today we're going to be replacing the windshield on a 2022 RC 390. And here is the windshield. We got a tinted version to replace the more clear one from the factory. So the only things we really think we're going to have to do is these mirrors right here. Those come off pretty simply just with an Allen key. And then there is two a little bit harder to get to Allen heads right here at the bottom, and those are going to be right behind this fairing. So we're probably going to take this fairing off unless we can find some other way. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so Hunter's taking a 7mm Allen wrench right now, and looks like it's just that simple. Let's do the other side. Tighty tighty, lefty loosey. Oh god. So obviously both sides are pretty redundant, so I'm just going to show you guys one of them. But basically you have this fairing, and this piece right here just pops in to like a little rubber grommet. And so what we did was we took this screw right here out, and then we were able to pop it out. So we will show you guys how to do it on the other side. So Hunter, if you want to. So now just pull it, boom, there you go. So yeah, now you got pretty good access to that Allen head where you can fit pretty much any Allen key. And I'm sure, you know, we were talking about you could use one of those micro ratchets and possibly get to like a 1/4 inch one, but I don't think there's quite enough room. So this is just a little bit of a
this would be perfect.
Somewhat easier alternative without taking off the whole fairing. Right. Yeah, these are like a specialty Allen where they have they're rounded at the end, so don't lose these. So yeah, we were able to do all that just by taking off 3 things. So we took off the entire mirror assembly, and we took off these little guys right here, popped this fairing out, and then now, Hunter, if you want to go ahead and try to see if it all just comes off in one piece like it should.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
No resistance.
Nice and easy. So now we do need to transfer over these little rubber grommets. I mean, you could re-grease these if you wanted to, but I mean, honestly, ours are so new and just full of grease. We'll be fine for now. You can always put some on later.
Yeah.
And then even this is still greased. So yeah, so he's taking off the metal washers, and then you just kind of fold these in. They're just kind of like O-rings in a way. Make sure you get grease all over your new windshield too.
Yeah.
That's part of the process. Pop that on. That allows it to slide around real easily. It's so funny, like working on something new. Like there's no dirt or grease. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like if you did this in 5 years, there'd be so much stuff underneath it. Come up a little bit.
I'm trying so hard not to touch the window because of my hands.
I know. There we go.
That literally fit perfect.
Yeah, it does just pop right on there.
I was kind of worried that it was gonna.
I guess we should probably do reverse order because I think these will be easy to get on. So we'll probably just put back our everything, like the nuts down, sorry, not the nuts, the Allen heads down here, pop this back in, and then we'll put the mirrors on. So let's do it. All right, so we got these just hand tightened back in. Just be careful not to cross thread stuff, because if you cross thread it, you are going to be having to take off these whole entire fairings pretty much to really be able to get everything back in there. So these are pretty much self-centering. You don't really have to worry about you know, having the new windshield unless you get like a really, I guess, like warped model or something, but they should just self-center themselves in the hole. All right, so now we can go ahead and pop these back in. And then we just got to make sure that these are lined up. This part could take 2 people, but I think they'll just line up. And once again, just try to hand tighten them before you use tools, because last thing you want is to take all this off just because you stripped one out or cross-threaded it. There we go. I did not want to line up again. Come on. There we go. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and tighten both of these with the Allen key, and then we'll go up to the mirror. All right, so he just put the Allen on there just to make sure it didn't fly away, which, by the way, This is actually a 6, we did realize. So the only tools you should need for this are a 6mm Allen, and I think it was a 4.
Yeah, it was a 4.
Yeah, so 4 and a 6. Yeah, I guess really all the adjustment in the mirror you do up here, because this is just for folding. Yeah, and now this is another one, guys, where I really recommend doing what he's doing, hand tighten first.
Some websites did, this one did not.
Yeah, I wonder, this is probably close to blackout. Because I know you can get like, that I would say is almost clear, but I know you usually can get like a smoked, like where it's just like a light gray, you know?
Yeah, there's definitely some websites out there that do that. They were just overseas and the shipping was really expensive. A lot
No, that's nice, dude, especially like if you look at it in the sun, it looks really good.
It also provides like protection for the screen too, which is really kind of nice.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely nice. It makes your head look fun. This is mechanic advice from Jack and Hunter. So we'll see you guys later. Peace out.